Nature never ceases to amaze us with its grandeur and splendor. One such awe-inspiring marvel is the Iguazu Falls, a majestic cascade nestled between Argentina and Brazil. Renowned as one of the most captivating natural wonders on Earth, Iguazu Falls enchants visitors with its sheer magnitude, thunderous roar, and elegant beauty. Iguazu Falls spans an impressive width of nearly 2.7 kilometers or 1.7 miles and comprises a total of 275 individual waterfalls. These falls are formed by the Iguazu River as it plunges over the edge of the Paraná Plateau, cascading down into a series of dramatic cataracts. The most famous of these is the awe-inspiring Garganta del Diablo, or Devil's Throat, a U-shaped chasm that showcases nature's power and grandeur in its rawest form. The falls are surrounded by lush rainforests, adding to their unparalleled natural glamour. On our first day of exploring the falls, we visited the Brazilian side of the falls. Beyond its mesmerizing beauty, Iguazu Falls holds significant ecological importance. Situated within the Iguazu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the falls serve as a vital habitat for an increasingly diverse array of flora and fauna. The surrounding rainforests provide a sanctuary for countless species, including jaguars, toucans, howler monkeys, and caimans, among many others. The mist generated by the falls creates a unique microclimate that nurtures a thriving ecosystem, fostering rich biodiversity that captivates both scientists and nature enthusiasts. Visiting the Iguazu Falls is an unforgettable experience that leaves a lasting mark on the soul. The sheer power and magnitude of the cascading water, combined with the symphony of thundering roars and mist-filled air, create an atmosphere of unparalleled wonder. Walking along the trails and catwalks that weave through the national park, visitors are treated to breathtaking panoramic views of the fall from various vantage points. A boat ride along the Iguazu River brings face-to-face with the thunderous cascades, offering an adrenaline-pumping adventure and an up-close encounter with nature's raw force. On the second day of our trip, we visited the Argentinian side of the falls. The Argentinian side of the Iguazu Falls provides unparalleled panoramic views of this natural wonder. Extensive network of trails and catwalks allow visitors to explore the falls up close and marvel at their sheer magnitude. The highlight is undoubtedly the Garganta del Diablo, Devil's Throat, a U-shaped chasm where the roaring water plunges with thunderous force. Standing at the lookout point near the Devil's Throat, visitors witness a mesmerizing spectacle as water cascades from all sides, creating a breathtaking and unforgettable sight. The trail system leads visitors through lush rainforests, showcasing the rich biodiversity of the region. Along the way, encounters with colorful butterflies, playful monkeys, and exotic birds heighten the sense of immersion and appreciation for the natural environment. Both tours take visitors closer to the falls, providing an exhilarating adventure and a refreshing shower from the cascading waters. It is a sensory journey that engages all senses and leaves visitors with lifelong memories. Exploring the Argentinian side of the Iguazu Falls offers unique perspectives and vantage points that showcase the falls from various angles. The lower circuit provides a closer look at several cascades, allowing visitors to witness the raw power and beauty of individual waterfalls. The upper circuit, on the other hand, offers stunning views from above, providing a broader panorama of the falls and their surrounding lush landscapes. Each vantage point offers a different perspective, adding depth to the overall experience and highlighting the diverse angles of this natural marvel. The Iguazu Falls, with its awe-inspiring beauty, thrilling adventures, cultural richness, and unforgettable experiences, stands as an exceptional touristic destination. It is a place where nature's grandeur takes center stage, captivating visitors from around the world. Whether it is marveling at the spectacular views, embarking on thrilling adventures, immersing yourself in the local culture, or simply being in awe of the raw power of nature, a trip to Iguazu Falls promises a transformative and unforgettable journey that will leave an enduring mark on the hearts of all who venture there.